So I made this fairy house last night while on Hangouts, and it came out really awesome. I was in the Hangouts and we were looking at videos, and I shared a video. I was with Steve, Patrick's Workshop, Ashley from Chip Builds, Doc Jared Hildebrandt was there. Boy, there was just a whole bunch of people there. I can't remember Mark Lindsay was there. And I saw a YouTube video of a lady making one of these out of cardboard. So that's exactly what I did. I just went step by step, cutting and slicing cardboard bits, patching them together to form this really awesome looking fairy house slash could be witch house. Maybe more of a witch house, I don't know. And it's super cool looking. You have your entrance doorway, and you have tiers of living quarters. Now it is made out of cardboard, but it was a test to see what I could do. And I'm liking it so much. I'm just very happy how it came out. With the roof tiles and the boards, the weathered look. A lot of fun. I'm thinking of making this in other mediums, with other mediums like wood or whatever. But I have a couple of ideas to set a scene. Might work. So we go into Photoshop and I drag the house in. I cut out all along the edges and now I have it floating. I'm adding a background with vegetation and just layering in front and behind it, as well as adding the sky. Just color treating it and just giving it an overall sort of like cohesive look, adding the shadows and whatnot of the house and the sun. And then I took this to Adobe After Effects and created that video clip that I showed at the beginning, and I'll show it to you again now. It was a lot of fun.